Discover the unfair advantage that's helping beginners earn $1,000 plus online. Are you tired of the same old online business models that just don't seem to work for you? Do you feel like you're constantly chasing the next shiny object, only to be left disappointed and discouraged? If so, then you're in the right place. We're going to dive into a game-changing strategy that's helping beginners and seasoned entrepreneurs alike make their first $1,000 and more online with ease. The secret? It's all about leveraging the power of digital products 2.0. This cutting-edge approach is revolutionizing the way people create, market, and sell digital products, and it's opening up a world of opportunities for anyone who's willing to take action. We'll break down the 3 key components of this strategy and show you how you can implement it step by step to start generating passive income online. So, buckle up and get ready to unlock your true earning potential. Step 1. Find winning digital products without the guesswork. The first step in the Digital Products 2.0 strategy is to identify proven, high-performing digital products that are already making waves in the market. This is where the real magic happens because you're not starting from scratch. You're tapping into products that have already been validated by the market. There are platforms out there that provide real-time leaderboards, showing you exactly which digital products are earning the most money. These platforms are like a treasure trove of information, giving you a clear roadmap to follow instead of having to guess and experiment. One example is a 21-year-old entrepreneur from Brazil named Nathan Mercado, or Marcato, apologies for the name mix-up. This savvy young guy was able to go from $0 to $316,000 in a single month by leveraging the power of influencer arbitrage. This means he found proven digital products and then partnered with influencers to distribute and sell those products to their engaged audiences. The key takeaway here is that you don't have to reinvent the wheel. The market has already done the hard work for you. All you need to do is identify the winning products and then put your own spin on them. This is a far more efficient and effective approach than trying to create something from scratch and hoping it sticks. Step 2. Create your own version of the winning digital product with AI. Okay, so you've identified the winning digital products. Now what? The next step is to create your own version of these products, but here's the best part. You can do it with the help of artificial intelligence, AI. In the past, creating a high-quality digital product would have required months, or even years, of research, writing, and content creation. You'd have to become an expert in the topic, synthesize all the information out there, and then package it into a cohesive and compelling product. But with the advent of AI, all of that has changed. Now, you can use specialized AI tools to do the heavy lifting for you, creating professional-grade digital products in a fraction of the time. These AI tools can synthesize all the relevant information, structure the content, and even generate the visuals and graphics, all while delivering a final product that's better than what an expert could create on their own. The key here is to use the right AI tools for the job. Not all AI tools are created equal, and some are better suited for specific tasks than others. You want to find the AI tools that are specifically designed for creating and packaging digital products, rather than trying to use a tool that's meant for something else. By leveraging AI, you can skip the months of research and content creation and instead focus on what really matters, creating a high-quality product that you know there's a demand for based on the insights you gathered in Step 1. Step 3. Tap into engaged audiences with influencer arbitrage. All right, you've got your winning digital product all set up, now it's time to get it in front of the right people. This is where the concept of influencer arbitrage comes into play. There are thousands of micro-influencers out there, people with 10,000 to 100,000 followers, who have built up a loyal and engaged audience. These influencers have done all the hard work of nurturing trust and building relationships with their followers, and they're often looking for great products to promote to their audience. The beauty of influencer arbitrage is that it's a win-win situation for everyone involved. You get to tap into the influencer's audience and make sales, while the influencer gets a cut of the profits without having to do any of the heavy lifting. It's a true partnership that leverages the strengths of both parties. Here's how it works in practice. You find an influencer whose audience aligns perfectly with the digital product you've created. You reach out to the influencer and propose a partnership, offering them a generous commission, e.g., 20 to 50%, for every sale they generate. The influencer then promotes your digital product to their audience, and you only pay them a commission once the sales start rolling in. This approach is incredibly powerful because it's zero risk for you. You don't have to spend a single penny on advertising or marketing until the sales start coming in, and you get to tap into an audience that's already primed and ready to buy. The 21-year-old entrepreneur Nathan Mercado was able to build $1 million business using this exact strategy. He didn't waste time trying to become an influencer himself or burn through cash on ads. He simply partnered with the right micro-influencers and let them do the selling for him. Putting it all together, your step-by-step Digital Products 2.0 roadmap. Alright, now that you understand the 3 key components of the Digital Products 2.0 strategy, let's put it all together into a step-by-step roadmap that you can follow to start making your first $1,000 and more online. Find winning digital products. Leverage the real-time leaderboards and insights provided by specialized platforms to identify the digital products that are already making waves in the market. Look for products that are generating significant revenue and have a proven track record of success. Create your own version with AI. Use the right AI tools to create your own version of the winning digital products you've identified. These tools can help you synthesize all the relevant information, structure the content, and even generate the visuals and graphics, all while delivering a final product that's better than what an expert could create on their own. Tap into engaged audiences with influencer arbitrage. Partner with micro-influencers whose audiences align perfectly with your digital product. Offer them a generous commission, e.g., 20 to 50%, for every sale they generate, and let them do the selling for you. This is a zero-risk approach that allows you to tap into engaged audiences without having to spend a fortune on advertising or marketing. By following this step-by-step roadmap, you'll be well on your way to making your first $1,000 and more online with the power of Digital Products 2.0. This isn't some one-off, one-in-a-million case. There are hundreds, if not thousands, of people who are already achieving incredible success with this strategy.